Very warm welcome to the Trading Mentor. Just a quick disclaimer before we get into the markets today. We are only offering educational information. Do your own research. We do not offer any investment advice at all. We are not regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. All the information is for tutorial purposes only. A very warm welcome to the market update. It is the 6th of May, 8:25 here in the UK. Congratulations to everybody in the who had oil this week. It's the only thing moving. Everything is dead. I don't know why. G7 meetings and all that kind of thing. Interest rate decisions. Keep an eye on that oil again. We're going to go back in. May even happen in the next few minutes. $65.81 currently. So let's go over this because it's really important that you get a good understanding of what's happening. All the charts, whenever we buy or sell, are the same. Okay, that's the first thing to recognise. We never change anything. One of the biggest faults most people make over the years, and I've been doing this over 25 years, is that people change their strategies. So this is the strategy. This is the advanced chart. Very few people have this. That's why it works. If, for instance, the whole country had this, it simply wouldn't work, because for every buyer there's a seller. And so this is very expensive. Very few people can afford it. But nonetheless, it can work as a basic chart as well. Let me explain. So here we have oil. The daily is on your left. The 4-hour chart is on the top right. And the 1-hour chart is on the bottom left. And all we're looking for, is starting to happen now, is that we are looking for the price to be above all these moving averages. This is what I call the ripple effect, but it's a ribbon of moving averages which can be placed on any chart, but it's free or whatever. And all you're looking for is the price to be above all the moving averages on every chart. Makes sense, doesn't it? It gets a little bit complex, more complex than that, because on this daily chart here you can see the linear regression channel. This is automatically drawn for me. The ribbons are drawn for me. The buy and sell signals are automatically given as the price breaks. I've got very little to do actually. But anyway, so congratulations to everyone who had this move on oil. It only moved 200 and something pips. We were hoping for more, but I think the next move is probably going to go to $70. So we just do the same thing again. So before we go on, why aren't we back in it again? Let me explain. Let me go to, so we just changed the 1-hour chart to the 30-minute chart, just for clarity. So the bottom right is now the 30-minute chart. And we can see here that we got a sell on the 30-minute chart. So in other words, it's not ready yet. It needs to break 66, doesn't it? So for those who are in my Telegram messaging service, then we'll post these charts as they happen, live as I look at them. I'm not here all day, but nonetheless, as I look at them, mornings is best. I would hesitate to look at any charts midday if I were you, because volumes are very light. You're not going to gain much from that. I come back about 4 o'clock, have a look, see what's going on. So congratulations to anyone that traded oil. Not much else is moving this week, as you probably know already. One thing I am looking at, and that is the pound Aussie is on my watch list. So I'm just changing these charts to the pound Aussie, just quickly. We can see on the left chart that the daily is in an uptrend overall. The price action isn't quite there yet. We have a buy on the 4 hour, going back some time. The price action is sideways. And the 1 hour is showing a buy as well. So we're just waiting for the price action here. We're probably going to get a triangle formation. You can see that straight away. I've got to draw it. And the triangle formation break. If it happens, you'll get an alert. If you're on my Telegram service, especially if you're a member. All the members get all the charts. The free service gets some of the charts. Let's have a look at the Canadian Swiss. Nothing's going on here, guys, but I just want to show you the pattern that we're looking for. Again, daily on the left, 4 hour, top right, 1 hour, bottom right. And as we can see here, the price, we had a buy signal the other day, didn't we? Was it yesterday? I can't remember now. 74.40, so we're down slightly. But nonetheless, it's what I call intact. There's no reason to doubt this. The daily is up, the 4 hours up. So we just wait for this move to continue now. What I'm going to do is trail this bottom support line, 74.06, and just come back later on and change that. So not much else going on. Pound Aussie, I'm looking at my eye. I've got my eye on oil. Once again, I love oil. The yen is sideways. Euro dollar. Let me cover that for you because that's really important. Understanding when we shouldn't be in a position is equally important as when we take our profits. So euro dollar in the daily on the left is in a downtrend. As you can see, the linear regression channel is automatically drawn. It's gone to the top of 121 and come down. Now 120.24. The 4 hour has broken down, as you can see here, and so has the 1 hour. So why aren't we still in this? Let me explain. Divergence is the most powerful tool that we have, bar none. Because if we have a look here on the 4 hour, let me get rid of that one. The 4 hour, we've got the balls coming in. So we have positive divergence on the euro dollar. What this means is there's likely, probably, going to be a pull up before it goes back down again. So we close this. I think I made 10 pips. But the important point is I've kept my money in my bank. And I'm going to wait for another entry, another breakdown probably. If we go to the 30-minute chart, we can see a little bit more info. So that, yeah, so it's still a sell on the 30-minute chart. But the price action is actually going up, isn't it? So we don't want to be in this yet. Once the price breaks down, I think it's going to be a big move. And we'll be in it. For members especially, you'll be in it just about the same time as me. Well, that's it for this update. Very quiet week, isn't it? It's unbelievable. Barometers to look out for. Euro dollar, heads up. Euro dollar's going up, everything tends to follow. US yen, if the US yen starts to go up above 109.50, then all the other yens will follow it. So then we'll be looking at those. I'm not bothering looking at any of the yens because the US yen is sideways, so everything will be sideways. US Swiss is another one. If that's going up, then everything, the euro dollar will be going down. So keep an eye on those things, those couple of pairs, and then it gives you a good idea, a balance of what's going on overall, and there ain't much. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my Telegram chat room.